Hello student, today we will be solving the IB Math A HL May 2025 paper 2 times on 2 question number 6. You will be getting the solutions for the first 5 questions of this paper and the solutions for the other questions from the other past papers in form of playlist on my channel NS Online Math Tutoring classes. You will also be getting playlists where the short past paper questions will be available based on their topics. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I'm an online IB Math A HL level tutor. My phone number and my website address are displayed at the bottom of the screen. So without any further delay, let us start to solve the question number 6. The maximum mark is 6. The following diagram shows a circle of with center O and radius r centimeter. Points A and B lie on the circle and the angle AOB, this is the angle, this is equal to theta radians. Sector OAB is divided into two regions, a shaded segment P and a triangle Q. The area of the shaded segment P is 12.8 centimeters square. The areas of P and Q are in the ratio 3:5. Find the value of R. Okay, so we know the formula for the area of the sector. I'm taking the sector OAB, this one, the minor sector OAB. So this will be equal to half theta r square. This should be equal to the area of this triangle plus area of this segment. Okay, so this should be equal to the area of the triangle will be half times r times sine of the included angle, that is sine theta, plus area of the segment, which is 12.8. Okay, so this is one of the equations. We are having two variables, theta and r. So we need two equations to solve, and the other equation will be coming from this information. The areas of P and Q, we will be writing this ratio in form of a fraction. Okay, it is 3/5. So this will be P over Q, area of the region P over the area of the region Q, that is the triangle, will be equal to 3/5. Okay, if you write the ratio in terms of a fraction, in form of a fraction, then you can cross multiply and you will be getting an equation. This is also an equation with the denominator, but if you cross multiply, you will not be having the denominator anymore. So area of P is 12.8. So 12.8 over area of Q, which is the triangle. So the area of the triangle will be half. R times R is R square and sine theta. This is equal to 3/5. We have written P in the numerator. You have to maintain the sequence. P is the first letter, so P will be in the numerator. Then comes Q in the denominator. Similarly, 3, the first letter will be, first digit will be in the numerator, and 5 will be in the denominator. Okay. So now we will be cross multiplying, and we have 3 times half times r square sine theta equal to 5 times 12.8. So r squared sine theta is equal to 5 times 12.8 times 2/3. Okay, so 5 times 2 is 10 and 12.8 times 10 will be equal to 128. Okay, so therefore r square sine theta is equal to 128 divided by 3. So r square will be equal to 128 over 3 sine theta. Okay. And now we will be substituting this expression in place of r square in this equation. Okay. So it is half theta and r square. In place of r square, I'll be writing this 128 divided by 3 sine theta equal to, it is half r square sine theta, and we have got the r square sine theta expression. It is 128 over 3. So I'm writing this as 128 over 3 plus 12.8. And now you see the equation contains only theta. Okay. So this can be written as, I'm writing this as 128 over 10. It is not 12.8, it is 128 over 10. And I am dividing the entire equation by 128. So this is equal to theta over 2 times 3 times sine theta equal to 1 over 2 times 3 plus 1 over 10. Okay. And next I am multiplying the entire equation by 2. So it is theta over 3 sine theta is equal to 1 over 3 plus 1 over 5, which is equal to, the LCM will be 15 and this will be 5. I'm multiplying this with 5, this with 5, and this with 3, and this with 3. Okay, so the denominator is 15 and this is 1 times 5 is 5 plus 1 times 3 is 3. So 5 plus 3 will be equal to 8. Okay, so theta over 3 sine theta equal to 8 over 15, and now I am multiplying the entire equation by 3. So I am getting theta over sine theta is equal to 8 over 15 times 3, which is equal to 8 over 5. Okay. And now we will be using the calculator. I'll be using the nsolve to get the value of theta. So menu number 3, algebra, number 1, numerical solve, and it is, let me not take theta, I'm taking x, and this is in radius, okay, over sine x. This should be equal to 8 over 5 comma x, and okay, it is 1.599. So let me write using GTC theta value, because the question, it doesn't have any subpart and it is, the full marks is 6. So let me write the theta value also. Using GDC, theta is equal to 1.599347. Okay, 1.599347. Okay, so now therefore r equal to, we had got, this will be equal to square root of, it was 128 divided by sine theta, 3 sine theta, is equal to, it is the square root 128 divided by 3 times sine, and the theta value is this. So control answer. It is 6.53. Okay. 6.53. Do you have any units? Centimeter. Correct to 3 significant figures. Okay. So we have completed solving this question. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please like and share this video in case you have liked my explanation, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your liking, sharing and subscribing will be really helping me. We meet again very soon when we will be solving question number 7 of the same paper. Till then, bye.